Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos. Having understood the concept of improving thinking skills, now we have come to exercise parts. In this session, we will go through part 04-09 exercise cause and effect. We will practice fishbone diagram. In this part, we have 30 exercises. Each exercise will take about 10 minutes. You will be given a common situation specifying the effect. You are required to write possible causes using fishbone diagram. For this purpose, you are required to 1. Identify about 4 to 8 major causes, and 2. Then for each major cause, identify about 5 sub-causes. Complete all the exercises and you will find the improvements in your analytical thinking skill and problem solving abilities. Let us see the format and one example. Here we see the format of a fishbone diagram. Now let us see an example. In this example, the effect is low productivity. The major causes are man, machine, method, material, market, and money. For each of the causes, the sub-causes are shown over here. Now let us go to the exercises. Exercise 1. The situation is you have scored just passing marks in mathematics. Exercise 2. The situation is no one wants to be a friend. Exercise 3. The situation is I went late to the class. Exercise 4. The situation is my father stopped my pocket money. Exercise 5. The situation is a glass full of water got dropped from the table. Exercise 6. The situation is I could not give answer to a very easy question asked by my teacher. Exercise 7. The situation is a fire broke out in the shop during night. Exercise 8. The situation is a small number of customers go to the newly opened grocery shop. Exercise 9. The situation is Mohan got severe headache since morning. Exercise 10. The situation is Suresh stole a pocket of bread from the shop. Exercise 11. The situation is the bus full of passengers crashed into a running train. Exercise 12. The situation is the frequency of two-wheeler accidents has increased in the cities. Exercise 13. The situation is the students are getting more and more indisciplined. Exercise 14. The situation is student of standard 5 to 7 are given Rs 500 per month as pocket expenses. Exercise 15. The situation is the number of old age homes are increasing. Exercise 16. The situation is he made a poor public speech. Exercise 17. The situation is the corruption in our country is increasing. Exercise 18. The situation is I failed in general knowledge test. Exercise 19. The situation is my father stopped subscribing newspaper. Exercise 20. The situation is no student was happy with the new teacher. Exercise 21. The situation is I fell down on the road. Exercise 22. The situation is I lost my wristwatch in the bus. Exercise 23. The situation is the students are not punctual to attend the class. Exercise 24. The situation is no one is keen to take interest in the sports in this school. Exercise 25. The situation is I do not get a book or notebook quickly when I need. Exercise 26. No one goes to a particular cinema theater in the city. Exercise 27. The situation is I could not open the door of my house. Exercise 28. The situation is the wall TV suddenly got dropped on the floor. Exercise 29. The situation is there was too much noise in my locality. Exercise 30. The situation is my mother keeps all eatables locked. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the MM Patel way, theory and exercises.